Meaning of double bind.
Double bind.
Double bind.
Double bind.
Double bind. Double bind refers to a situation where a person is confronted with two conflicting expectations or demands, and no matter what they do, they are unable to meet both. This creates a paradoxical situation where the person is trapped in a no-win scenario. The result is often confusion, frustration, and a sense of helplessness. This term is commonly used in the field of psychology to describe the complex and challenging relationships that can exist within families or other social groups. Double binds can be particularly stressful for individuals as they feel caught between competing demands and unable to satisfy either.